everyone, I'm your Mama Ames from St. Patrick. Love hurts, love scars, love warms and mars any not tough or strong enough to take a lot of pain, take a lot of pain. Love is like a cloud, holds a lot of rain. Love hurts. I'm young, I know, but it will sound, I know a thing or two. I've learned from you. I've really learned a lot, really learned a lot. Love is like a stone, burns you every time. Love hurts. Some fools a happiness, less fullness, togetherness. Some fools lose themselves, I guess, but then you're fooling me. I know it isn't true. I know it's true. Love is just a lie made to make you blue. Love hurts.